Hello students, how are you all? I just hope that you all are safe at your places. Now students, since I am receiving your homework, I can still find that students, they are not mentioning their name and class. So kindly take care of this thing and kindly prepare for your second term examination. Okay? Now students, let's start new chapter, chapter 5, Respiratory System. And in this chapter, you're going to learn about the respiration process and what are the types of respiration, then respiratory system in human beings, then functions of each part of the respiratory system, working of the respiratory system, mechanism of breathing, and the difference between breathing and respiration. Okay, so let's start with respiration first. What is respiration? Respiration is a process of releasing energy from food. That means respiration not only means breathing, it also means releasing of energy from food. Whatever food we take in, we always say that food gives us energy. But how food is converted into energy? It is converted into energy by respiration. Okay, so it is as simple as that we obtain energy when food is converted into energy. Okay, now how it is done? It is done through the process of respiration, and there are two main parts in the process of respiration. First is breathing. Just now I told you, breathing in, we breathe in oxygen, and what we give out? Carbon dioxide. So first is breathing, and then the second one is using oxygen in the cells of the organism for releasing energy from food. So when we take in oxygen, then oxygen, it gets distributed to all parts of the body. And as you know that our body is made up of many cells. It is multicellular. We are multicellular organism. So we have many cells. So oxygen, it goes to the cells. Okay, and then in the cells, it releases energy from food. Okay, so we can better understand it using this equation. So glucose is the food, and oxygen is the gas that we take in. And respiration in the cells, what it gives out? It gives out carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the gas that we give out, that we exhale. But exhale air also contains water or water vapor, okay, plus energy. So this is the chemical equation. Now let us learn in detail what is the process of respiration. Now comes types of respiration. Depending upon the presence or absence of oxygen, living organisms, they show two types of respiration. What are they? Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. What is aerobic respiration? Aerobic respiration is the respiration which uses oxygen. Okay, and breakdown of food, it occurs with the use of oxygen. I told you that breaking down of food, it occurs in the cells, and most of the organisms, they show this kind of respiration. Most of the organisms, such as humans, we show aerobic respiration. Then cats, lions, snakes, earthworm, they all carry out aerobic respiration. Okay, anaerobic respiration is the respiration which takes place without using oxygen. Okay, and in other words, we can say that when the breakdown of glucose, food occurs without the use of oxygen, then that respiration is known as anaerobic respiration. And this type of respiration, it takes place in microorganisms like yeast and bacteria. Okay, it is used in the process of fermentation. So this is all about aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Now students, kindly open your book and page number 60 and 61. Let us confirm answers of objective type questions. Let's start with question number A. Choose the correct option. These animals are sessile, that means stalkless, sedentary, that means they are attached to the substratum or solid base, and marine except one group that lives in fresh water. These are non-motile animals attached to some solid support. So the answer is porifera. Now second one is, which of the following belongs to cnidarian? The answer is hydra. Which of the following belongs to arthropoda? The answer is tick. Then the fourth one, which of the following belongs to echinodermata? The answer is brittle star. Fish belongs to class. The answer is Pisces. Then birds belong to class. The answer is aves. Now B, fill in the blanks. The mouth of cnidarians is surrounded by a number of finger-like projections called. The answer is tentacles. Tentacles. The tough outer covering on the body of arthropods is called exoskeleton. Exoskeleton. The entire body of mollusca is covered by a fold of thin skin called mantle. Mantle. In Pisces, the heart is two-chambered. Then page number 61. Fifth, fertilization is external in frogs and toads. So the answer is fertilization. Fertilisation. Then sixth one, mammals are warm-blooded and most evolved of animal kingdom. Warm, W-A-R-M. Write true or false for statements. The first one is, animal cells have cell walls. This is false. Animal cells do not have cell walls. Only plant cells have cell walls. Sea anemone is a cnidarian. This is true. Suckers and hooks are usually absent in platyhelminthes. This is false. Suckers and hooks, they are present in platyhelminthes. In arthropods, sexual dimorphism is well marked in several forms. This is true. Sexual dimorphism means sexes, that means male and female, they are different in characteristics, be it their physical appearance or organs in them. Okay. Now comes millipede is an example of myriapoda. This is also true. Then spider is an arachnida. This is true. In reptilia, heart is single chambered. This is false. Heart is three-chambered. Then human beings belong to class Mammalia. This is true. Then comes name the class of animals. These are the animals and you have to write the class to which they belong. Cycon, Porifera. Jellyfish, Cnidaria. Planaria, Platyhelminthes. Then spider belongs to Arthropoda. Starfish belongs to Echinodermata. Salamander, Amphibia. And pigeon, aves. Okay, this is how you have to solve these objective type questions.